What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys these Dunlop tire stickers. I'll give you a little review on them. You can't find these anywhere. Dunlop doesn't even sell them. I actually found these in an undisclosed location. I can't tell you all my secrets, otherwise you'll go buy them. Just kidding. I got them on wish.com. I think you may even be able to find them on eBay. I don't know. It's starting to get dark out, so I actually have a headlamp on my head right now. But today I'm going to go over these Dunlop tire stickers, give you guys a little review. Literally can't find them anywhere. Dunlop doesn't even make them. I guess they do make them, but they give them to the factory guys. I got a pack of them, or I actually got 2 packs of them. I think there were 6 or 8 in every pack. I can't remember, to be honest. But I ended up cutting this one out, and I'm going to test it out today on the 450. We're going to clean the tire and get it on, and I'll let you guys know how it works, if it's good, and where to buy them. So 2 things before you guys actually put these stickers on is you want to rip these little tabs off of the tire. So just grab it, pull. That one came off pretty easy. Same with that one. And those 2. Boom, right there. So that's actually where I'm going to put the sticker, is right there. Second thing you're going to want is obviously a rag and some contact cleaner. We're going to spray down this area, wipe it off, and then we're going to put the sticker on. So these stickers are a little bit tough. I already tried on another one, but your goal is going to want to be to rip this backing off while exposing the sticky part and then placing it on the tire in the exact spot where you want it, and then peeling that off once it's in place. So I'm going to try to do that. It's hard to do with one hand. I'm going to use both hands here and try to get that on. So it's not too difficult. You just really have to take your time with it, but you will get it and it will be good to go. All right, so finally got that off without peeling the whole sticker off the sheet. So it's now on one sheet. I could take this, place this on the tire, press it down, and then peel away that last piece that's holding it all together there. So just press down, adjust if you have to, kind of like I'm doing. I wanted to get it all below that line. It's a little bit difficult. Seems like it's adhering well. Looks good too. So I'm hoping these last a while. That's kind of why I'm doing this now. And then maybe we'll do kind of like an extended review after we ride on it for a little bit, see if it's still there. Because like I said, I don't know who makes these. It's like a third-party company. They certainly look cool. So all I'm doing now is just making sure it's all pressed down flat. There's a little bit of grooves and stuff on there, so I want to make sure there's air out of it. That way it adheres, stays on there for a while. Seems like it's doing a good job so far. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that backing paper off. Hoping it sticks. See, that one lifted a little bit. Not liking that. Let's hope that stays on there. Maybe you gotta go fast with it. Yep, that's the key, I think. Going kind of fast, little by little. There you have it. This part lifted a little bit. Make sure that's down. Ooh, there's a groove in there. Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're a lot thinner than I thought, but it's pretty neat. There you have it. Well guys, that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put a link where you guys can grab these. Pretty straightforward. Pretty much gonna dress up your wheels, make it look factory. So if you guys are interested in finding out where these are, where you can get them, where you can put them on, give the video a like, check out the description, and enjoy it. See you guys.